Everybody is watching the chips. Nvidia, AMD, the semiconductors getting all the headlines, but nobody is asking the one question that actually determines who wins this entire AI race. Where does the AI actually live? The chips need a home, a physical building, with power, with cooling, with the infrastructure to run those models at scale. And the company building those homes faster than anyone right now? Most investors have never even heard of it. NBIS, Nebius Group. Let me hit you with the numbers, because they are almost hard to believe. Revenue growing over 550% year over year. Full year 2026 guidance sitting between $3 and $3.4 billion. Annual recurring revenue target of $7 to $9 billion by year end. And the backlog? It exploded from $22 billion all the way to $46 billion. After landing a landmark deal with Meta Platforms. $46 billion in backlog, on a company the crowd still hasn't discovered. And then Nvidia walked in and wrote a $2 billion direct investment check, not into a chip maker, into Nebius. You cannot run AI without the infrastructure behind it. Now here is what separates Nebius from every other data center name out there. This is not just a landlord renting out space. This is a full-stack AI cloud platform. GPU capacity, cloud services, inference tools, real diversified customer contracts with Meta, Microsoft, and hundreds of enterprise clients, all inside one vertically integrated business. The physical expansion tells the same story. 2 data centers at the end of 2024, 7 by end of last year, 16 targeted by end of this year, and just this month, they secured 1.2 gigawatts of power and land for a brand new AI factory in Pennsylvania. They also just closed a $4.3 billion capital raise, upsized from the original amount because institutional demand was that strong. More cash than total debt, Nvidia backing, Meta contracts, 160% year to date. The crowd is still staring at the chips. The smart money already found the landlord. And believe me, the party is just getting started. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before buying or selling any stock. Your money, your decision, always. Drop a comment below. Which stock or sector do you want me to cover next? If it matters, if it's moving, I will make a video on it. If this gave you value, like it, share it, and subscribe so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.